Hi, Bruce from Safari, and we're having a bit of fun today. These are Bluetooth temp sensors, and you can see these on your smartphone directly. They keep 10 days of history in them. Battery lasts for 2 to 3 years. We've got them up online, and we will have them up there on special. Now, the competition we're running is we're going to knock these over. They form the word Safari, and if you can count the number of sensors that we've got on the table here, put a comment, tag a friend in a comment, then we're going to select up to 5 groups of 2 in random down the comment list, and we'll be sending you out 2 new sensors at no charge. So let's start, and we're going to knock these over in domino style, and we've got Donovan here assisting. Let's go, Donovan. Very good, Donovan. Righto, how many are there?